Hi guys, it's Lindo here. I'm back again. So yeah guys, it's been a while without uploading any video. So before I can do my analysis guys, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, right, so that I can be able to upload more videos on how I go about generating the signal, right. So I'm on AUS200, right, the stock market of Australia. So if you can check guys, AUS200 now on a daily time frame is on an is on a downtrend, right. So when the market is on a downtrend, you know what to do. We need to look for what? We need to look for sell opportunities, right. Why? Because if you can check here, we're having this point here. That was the last support going up, which is 7408. So meaning now we're on a downtrend. We need to look for what? We need to look for sell opportunities. We need to look for sell opportunities. And another thing, you can check here, we have this trend line over here. Prices have already broke that trend line, so that's another indication that now we are going down up until where? Up until this below swing low, which is 7177, right. So meaning we will be looking for sell opportunities up until where? Up until 7177, right. So now we're on a downtrend. We're on a daily time frame on AUS200, and remember, when we're on a downtrend, we only look for what? We only look for sell opportunities, meaning we always sell where? At a resistant level, right. So the first step that you do, you just identify the structure of the market. What's the structure of what? Of the market, right. So the structure of the market is on a downtrend, and then when we are on a downtrend, you know what to do. We need to look for sell opportunities. After you have done identifying the structure of the market, then now you will be identifying where? You will be identifying all your support and resistance. You will be identifying all your support and resistance, supply and demand. Now if you can check on a daily time frame, I'm done identifying all my important levels. I'm done identifying all my important levels where on a daily time frame, right. So identifying all your previous support and resistance, it will also help you when to take what? When to take your profit. Because we believe that the market moves from one level to another. So it is very, very important of us to identify all those support and resistance. Then switching to H4 time frame. If you can check, even on H4 time frame, was still on a downtrend. Why? Because if you can check, the current price is below what? Is below 7406, which is our previous swing high. And then if you can check this arrowed candle, this one is the one that broke below that support, and that line is no longer a support, now is the resistance. So meaning when prices does a retest at that level, then we'll look for what? We'll look for sell opportunities. If you can check at this point, there was a lot of rejection indicating that the market will reverse at that level, right? So even on on H4 time frame, even on H4 time frame was still on a downtrend. So meaning even on H4 time frame, we'll still be looking for sell opportunities up until where? We'll be looking for sell opportunities up until 7177, right? And remember, when the market is on a downtrend, it will always break what? The previous support. So I'm expecting prices to break this support over here, which is 7345,02. So I'm expecting prices to break that support, to form another new low, since we're on a downtrend, right? Because if you can check here, prices was consolidating in this prices was consolidating here, right? And then as it was consolidating, this arrow candle, this one, it managed to break below what? Below that support, which is 7405. So now meaning I will be looking for sell opportunities, right? So if you have a small account, you can wait for prices to break at least an H1 candle to break below what? Below 7345,02. You have a small account, you can wait for the price to break that point, and then after breaking that point, then you will be selling. But the overall was selling. Then now we move to H1 time frame. Okay, if you can check on H1 time frame, let me remove this rectangle. Okay, if you can check even on H1 time frame, even if you can check on H1 time frame, prices have just created what? Prices have just created an M formation. If an M formation is formed around an important level or around a resistant level, it means that there are high chances that price might reverse. On H1, we're having prices have just broke what? Prices have just broke. If you can check this blue zone, this one, this blue zone is what? Is our neckline of that M, right? So this candle, this arrowed candle is the one that broke below that neckline. So meaning you will be selling, but I will be not selling, because if you can check, that breakout is very close to what? To that first leg of that M. So what I will be doing, I will wait for the market to do what? To break this first leg of that M, which is 7341,90. Then from there I will be start doing what? I will be start selling. Because if you can check on H4, okay, let me use this one. Okay, this is the on H4, this point, this one, which is 7406 is our is our important resistance, right? So checking on H1, if you can check, prices have just created the M formation on that important resistance of H4. So yeah guys, on AUS200 I'm expecting the market to do what, to go down up until where? Up until 7175.87. Then we can also check here. Another thing guys, as I said before, that there are many ways that you can trade support and resistance, right? The other way you can trade the reversal. The reversal is whereby we are spotting that the current trend will change. If you can check JP225, it's on an uptrend right now. It's on a critical level, that the resistance, which is 30687, right? At this point, there are two things involved. It's either the market will create another new high or the market will reverse. So what is very, very important of us is to consider the price action at that level, which is 3, or around that level, which is 30687, right? So if you can check now, because I will be trading the trend reversal here, I don't care about the market structure. So the thing that I will be doing, I will be just identifying all my obvious support and resistance, right? So if you can check on weekly, I'm done identifying all my obvious support and resistance. Then now I'll be switching to a daily. Even on a daily, I will be still identifying what? I will be still identifying all my obvious support and resistance. Okay, now on a daily, I'm done identifying my support and resistance. So now if you can check this point, which is 30481, this point, it is the resistance point. And then if you can check, prices have just rejected at this level, closing below, right? Because if you can check the last Friday candle, it touches this resistance and rejected. As it rejected, it closes below, right? So now I will be switching to H4 time frame. So if you can check now on H4, even on H4, I will be still identifying what? I will be still identifying all my obvious support and resistance. Okay. Now let me switch to H1. So if you can check on H1, Okay, if you can check on H1, the only way which I can sell on H1 after prices break this level here, not the trend line, after prices break this level here, on H1 I will be selling after prices broke below 29862. That's where I will be looking for sell opportunity, because if you can check 29862 is our below swing low, right? It's our below swing low. So meaning if it broke above, meaning the structure will be now on a downtrend if we break 29862. Or you can sell after the breakout of this trend line, and then your take profit will be here, because remember in here you can still reverse and go up, but that's why I'm saying we need to have the breakout first, and then that's where we will be selling on. I will be selling up until here. That's the point where I will be looking for sell opportunities up until, which is 28724.